Hi, I'm George McPulkin, National Trainer for LG Appliances, and today we're going to be talking about our edge-to-edge design. If you're looking for a modern, high-performance range that's easier to use and even easier to maintain, LG's newest edge-to-edge freestanding ranges are designed with you in mind. The edge-to-edge cooktop gives your kitchen a seamless, built-in look. With fewer seams and gaps, it's also easier to wipe down and keep clean, helping your cooktop look newer, longer. New LG freestanding ranges now include ProBake Convection, our exclusive technology that places the heating element in the back of the oven. This delivers faster, more even cooking on every rack, so no turning trays and no hot spots. And if you're looking for efficiency, LG's electric edge-to-edge models are now ENERGY STAR certified. That means you can cook confidently without sacrificing performance. On the gas side, LG's newest freestanding ranges include a refreshed handle design and 3-step knob that adds a premium look and feel, giving your customers both better control and updated style. From effortless cleanup to upgraded performance and design, LG's new edge-to-edge ranges deliver the smart features today's households are asking for, all in a stylish freestanding package. Now let's take a look at the LG LREN 6323YE, a sleek new electric range that delivers style, space, and smart cooking power in one premium freestanding design. One of the standout features is the edge-to-edge cooktop, which maximizes every inch of the surface with no wasted space at all. You can fit more pots and pans and easily move cookware from one element to the other. It's perfect for families or anyone who loves to cook multiple dishes at once. Underneath, LG's UltraHeat 3200 watt power burner, it delivers fast, responsive heat, ideal for searing, boiling, and stir frying. And with 5 radiant elements, including a dual-size burner with a warming zone, you'll get ultimate flexibility for any cookware or cooking style. The spacious oven offers 6.3 cubic feet of capacity, giving you plenty of room for large roasts or multiple racks of cookies. Plus, with LG ThinQ Technology, you can preheat, check the status, or get notifications right from your smartphone. Even use Google Voice or Alexa. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to the smooth ceramic glass cooktops and LG's EasyClean finish. Just 10 minutes and wipe down is all it takes. Add in robust, soft close hinges for a touch of luxury, and you've got a range that looks great, works hard, and fits beautifully into any kitchen. The LG LREN 6323YE is more than just a range. It's a smarter, sleeker way to cook every day.